But ayun, netizen. So, for today's video, it's a quick video actually. It's all about my collections ng straightforward products. So, let's start with my pinaka-first na item. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, diretso na tayo. So, this is the first straightforward bag that I have. It's a sling bag. So, maganda siya kasi may ano siya dito. Pwede siyang gawing coin purse. Diba? Coin purse naman talaga siya. So, ito siyang pinakauna. So, normally, ito yung ginagamit ko on a daily basis. And then, aside from that, I was able to get this, parang ginawa ko siyang terno. It's a short siya. Ganda yung color nito eh. Yung pinakauna ito, magti 3 years na to. Tapos ito, 2 years na ata, if I'm not mistaken. So, most likely, siya dito, straightforward nakalagay. And then, pinartneran ko siya ng ito. If I can able to, yan, straightforward. So, if I can able to insert the parang picture ko, yan. And then, mabilisan lang talaga to. And then, my first shoes from straightforward. So, ito siya. Tinago ko lang siya kasi, syempre, ayaw kong masira agad. 2 years na din to. Yeah. So, ito siya. Straightforward na sa likod. Straightforward. So, it's still maganda. So, ayun, no? Yan. This is the box. Maganda siya. Mamaya, pipicturean ko. Of course, I was able to add my collection. This one, pinakauna kong, mahilig na ako ngayon sa black eh. Hindi naman halata, no? So, ito, it's a nice bag. And it also straightforward. Yan. Diba? It's so nice. I was able to use this nung nag-Puerto Galera ako. If I can able to insert din the picture. Kung may picture ako. And then, kahapon, thank you so much, straightforward. Ito, before anything else pala, ito, I was able to get this wallet. Ang ganda siya. Yan. Straightforward pa din. Yan. Now, straightforward kahit hindi ako straight. Charot. So, I'll get this one. So, ito yung recently ginagamit ko. It's a, shoulder bag. It's the, tong tawag dito? Landscape tote bag. Actually, it's the color, burnt umber. So, it's so nice. Diba? It's so bagay, right? The same thing. Parang pare-pare siya ng color sa pinakauna kong, sling bag. And then, as I mentioned earlier, maganda siya. Ginagamit ko siya. Yun. So nice, diba? And then, ano pa ba? Ay, wait. I was able to get another bag pala. I'll get it for you guys. So, ayun. Ito pala siya. May sling to, kaso nasira eh. Tawag dito. It's still nice. Diba? Black. It's so nice. May siyang compartments din na pwede mong lagyan. And then, kahapon nga, I had this, a new products from Straightforward. Taran! Yun. So, anong meron dito? So, let's get the first item. Actually, yung wallet is the, included dito. Ginamit ko lang siya today. So, the first one that I have here is ito, lalagyan siya ng laptop para at least I could able to secure my laptop na hindi siya maalikabukan, diba? Free from dust, and also to keep your laptop safe kasi we don't know, baka lalabas ka tapos yung bag mo palang dala is hindi siya ganun ka what they call it, water resistant, so mababasa, sayang naman yung gadget mo. So, it's so nice. It's still black. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako mahilig sa black ngayon. So, it's the Mortosley Black. So, lalagyan siya ng lapi. So, it's so nice. Diba? Kasyang-kasya dito yung ano. Kahit yung bigger 14 or 15 inches na na laptop. Kasya dito. It's so nice. And then, yung pinakahuli natin is, this is the one that, always nasa sa cart ko. Hindi ko siya, and at the same time, nabili ko siya for, a very affordable price, the Windbreaker. So, it's still black. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung picture ko kahapon. Yung parang nagpicture ako doon sa, sa store. So yun, for me, straightforward product is very affordable. Number one, that's the first thing na i-consider natin as a buyer. Second is the what you call that, the durability. Kung tatagal ba siya. Kasi, 'di ba? Sayang naman na always tayo ng bili kasi nasira agad. But yeah, as I've mentioned, straightforward is very affordable. When it comes with the quality, yeah, it's very, what you call that, I'll give it 5 star, 5 out of 5. So straightforward, you can visit their website, www.straightforward.com. Yeah, pwede din shop straightforward.com. And then, pwede rin sila sa mga physical stores nila since meron na dito sa Baguio. So, I'm so happy kasi dati, normally, pag napunta ako ng Metro Manila, dumadaan ako sa Mega Mall. So, doon ako bumili and I had this, yun nga, pinakauna kong bag from them. So, yeah, as I mentioned, if you want, I can able to provide siguro the yellow basket kung gusto ninyo. And yeah, again, straightforward is very, 2 thumbs up ako dyan. And that's it for today's vlog.